we've either got a green one or a black one. What would you like?
Alright, so welcome back. We're at Santa Pod for round 2 of the British National Drag Racing Championship. This is the Festival of Power. That's the bike all scrutineered. I'm checked over, ready to run tomorrow. So we're not running today, we're not testing. We'll have a bit of a chill out, go over everything, make sure we're ready. And we've got first round qualifying is at 12:30, I think it is tomorrow. So we've got 3 runs tomorrow, 2 on Saturday. See what we can do. Hopefully we can do slightly better than last meeting. Qualified 3rd, so we're at the end of the world, and we got to the final but lost out to Phil. We're gonna try and put that right if we can. See what happens. Another PB? Yeah. 1671 at 38. Another second though. 1578 at 38 mile an hour.
Definitely a cool down. Be a bit of jade in there.
Went even faster.
And you had an amazing reaction.
Good start off the line, good launch.
Yeah, good launch as well, darling. Very
Smashing
good launch.
it. Go and take your levers off then, sweet pea.
See? Look how excited you are now, Dad.
Huh?
How excited you are now. How nervous were you down there? You didn't want to do it. And now look at you.
So how was your first race?
Was it good?
Right?
Did it feel any different?
No. Did it feel any different? No, because you're too busy focused on yourself, aren't you? It doesn't matter what everyone else is doing.
Alright, so we're here for day 1. This is Thursday, it's just the test day. So we're not actually running today. Got my bike behind me. But we've got Darcy, so she is actually running. My goddaughter, Brett's daughter, So it was her first meeting at round 1. So she's just testing today. She's got her new leathers with her name on, pink flames, all the design she wants. It's a lot better weather today, there's no wind at all. It's lovely and sunny. She's had 2 runs so far. Both of them have been a PB for over a second. So she's now gone 15.8 at 38 mile an hour, so she's well happy. So we'll see what happens later. A few more test passes before we're into qualifying tomorrow. So we've got Nick from Mugridge Motorsports. He's testing today in his Jr Comp Dragster. It's a rear engine dragster with a GSXR1000 engine in. .0, 42 mile an hour. You actually fucking made it this time.
I made it!
Who else would call out a grudge race and then not even turn up?
I know, is it? And then not turn up on the test day to license until like half 3.
Yeah, like 4 o'clock or whatever it is.
Right, mate. Not an act on you. Go, Chris. Go forward. Good, consistent.
Right, so that was the second licensing pass for Tom. So because he's new to the bikes, he hadn't had a bike race license before, so he's got to get signed off by an official at the track to say that he's safe to ride. So he first pass was a burnout on a launch, burnout launch and a half track pass just then, and he's got to do one more full pass before he can get signed off and run tomorrow in qualifying. So I think we went 10:30 then, but he was off it at half track.